Hi, thanks for tuning in to DC Dan's channel here at Level Up Arcade and Bar in Eugene, Oregon. I have a line of pinballs here that I take care of, and I'm going to start with a short basic introduction on how pinballs work, and as I do that, each pinball has its own identity, own type of things that go wrong, and I'm going to do my best to explain how they work, and then we can go from there. Yeah. This is what the newer ones look like. This is a new pinball that has a lot of stuff that's been updated as far as the lighting goes. Coils are all the same. Flippers are the same. And usually I check the flippers just to find out what's going on with them. This one feels like it may need a rebuild. That's on a later time, but that's a pretty basic thing. Flippers are definitely a big part of the maintenance on these. And the lights are all LEDs on the newer ones, so they're usually pretty good. On the older pinballs, you have to look at the lights and see which needs to be changed out on the GIs. GIs are all the lower playfield, and yeah, that's on the older styles. This is a mill wax, special for pinballs, and I usually have a rag, just like a t-shirt or something, works really well. And I just kind of put a little bit on there like that. And then I have, some people use, I use this. It's an extension for, so you can get to things that are really hard to get to. And then also you end up with a lot of bad spots on your hands too from doing this, because you get, the pinball machine likes to injure you. I don't know why, because you're cleaning it, but they tend to get you pretty bad sometimes in certain spots.
Better put some money in the game.
And if you hit buttons, they always talk to you. Pinball players play it, it's fast. Some of the pinball players are really serious about this stuff, and they like it waxed up and fast. So, and then back down, put all back. Sometimes flippers, they get that spot on the rubbers, and you turn those. You can turn them and get away with it for a little while. Turn them on the flippers. That way it'll last a little bit longer. And this one needs to be turned also. And a good spot to put it back on. They get wore out on the ends, of course, where they hit right here. And these get hit a lot too, right in there. They look good. And it goes and just kind of Check everything out. This is all I got for you today, and thanks for watching, and please just like me or whatever, you know. I mean, I want some of this to get out, so I want it all to get out. I want people to know what it takes for us pinball technicians to do things. Thank you.